Hey there, future Airbnb superhost. Ready to turn your space into a goldmine? Click the link in the description below to sign up for Airbnb and get started. In this video, we'll share the latest tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings on the platform. Airbnb has been making some significant changes to its platform. One of the biggest updates is the introduction of new pricing algorithms that help hosts optimize their rates. This means you can now earn more by adjusting your prices according to demand. Make sure to check out Airbnb's pricing tool to get the most out of your listings. Your listing is the first impression potential guests will get of your space. Make sure it's a good one. Use high-quality photos, write a detailed description, and set clear house rules. Don't forget to optimize your title and tags with relevant keywords to improve visibility in search results. Providing an exceptional guest experience is key to getting 5-star reviews. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide clear check-in instructions, and leave a thoughtful welcome gift. Consider offering extras like Wi-Fi, towels, and toiletries to make your guests feel at home. Managing your calendar and pricing effectively is crucial to maximizing your earnings. Use Airbnb's built-in calendar tool to block off dates when you're not available and adjust your pricing according to seasonal demand. Don't forget to set a competitive minimum stay requirement to attract longer-term bookings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and leave a comment below with your favorite hosting hack. Don't forget to share this video with fellow hosts who might benefit from these tips. See you in the next video.